Wizards! Welcome back to our math online tutorial. It's me again, Teacher Chris, and I will be your teacher for today. So, are you ready to learn math today? If yes, come and join me in today's lesson. For today's lesson, we're gonna learn how to multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers with and without regrouping. But before we start our new lesson for today, let's have a quick review. On our previous lesson, we have learned how to order numbers up to 100,000 in increasing or decreasing order.
Before we start our new lesson for today, let's have a quick review. Let us arrange the following numbers in increasing order. So, are you ready? If you're ready, let's do it! So kids, what is the correct answer? So kids, what is the correct answer?
Let us first understand the concept of multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic. It gives the result of combining groups of equal sizes. In other words, multiplication is a repeated addition. Let us analyze this addition problem. In this problem, we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Another way that we can write this addition problem is by writing like this. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. We use the symbol X, or we read it times, to tell us that we are multiplying. Let's have another example of addition problem. So let's have 4 plus 4 or equals to 8. Or we can write it in other way, just like this. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Another example of addition problem is this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Or we can write it as 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Now we know multiplying numbers. Let us remember some important concepts. First is the product. Product is the answer in multiplication. For example, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, 4 is the product. Another one is multiplier and multiplicand. When we say multiplier and multiplicand, they are numbers that are being multiplied, or they are sometimes called factors. So let us try multiplying numbers up to 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers without regrouping. So let's have 421 times 12. 421 is the multiplicand, while 12 is the multiplier. Again, 421 is the multiplicand, while 12 is the multiplier. We can solve this in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Multiply the multiplier 2 in each digit of 421, starting to the ones digit. So, in 421 times 12, 421 is the multiplicand, while 12 is the multiplier. So, since step 1 state that multiply the multiplier 2 in each digit of 421, starting to the ones digit, our multiplier is 12. So, therefore, we're going to use 2 as the first multiplier. So, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Next is 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Next is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Step 2. Multiply the multiplier 1 in each digits of 421, starting from ones digit. Again, multiply the multiplier 1 in each digit of 421, starting from the ones digit. So let us now multiply the multiplier 1 to each digit of 421. So let us begin at 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Equal to 1. Always remember, in writing the partial product, you need to leave blank the ones place since the multiplier 1 is in the tens place. 1 times 2 is equal to, correct, it's 2. And the last one is 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Step number 3. Add the partial product. In this example, we have 2 partial products. So first is the 842 and next is the 421. So let's add 842 and 421. Always remember, in adding partial product, we have to start at the right side or to the ones digit. This is the ones digit. So meaning to say, we need to copy 2 or just bring down 2. Next is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So since our sum is a 2-digit number, so we need to put 0 here and add 1 to the place of 4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, 421 times 12 is equal to 5,052. So let us now proceed in multiplying numbers up to 3 digits by numbers up to 2-digit number with regrouping. So we have here 315 times 24. In this example, 315 is the multiplicand, while 24 is the multiplier. We can simply solve this problem by following 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Multiply the multiplier 4 in each digit of 315, starting to the ones digit. Again, multiply the multiplier 4 in each digit of 315. Again, we need to multiply the multiplier 4 to each digit of 315. So, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Since our product has 2-digit number, we need to put 0 here in the ones digit, then add 2 to the product of 4 and 1. So add 2. So 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Plus 2 is equal to 6. Next is 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So, as you can see, since no digit follows the digit 3, we simply copy 4 times 3 equals 12 to the partial product. Step number 2. Multiply the multiplier 2 to each digit of 315 from ones digit. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So since we have a 2-digit sum, we need to put 0 here and then add 1 to the product of 2 and 1. So 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 1. It is equal to 3. The last one is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Step number 3. Add the partial product. So in this example, we need to add 1,260 and 630 since they are both belong in partial product. So, in adding partial product, always start from the right or the ones digit. So, in this example, we will just bring down 0. Next is 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Next is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And lastly, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Meaning to say, 315 times 24 is equal to 7,560. Now you know how to multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers with or without regrouping. Always remember that you can watch again this video for the enhancement of your learning. That's all for today. I hope you learned a lot on our today's lesson. Once again, I am Teacher Chris saying that learning math is fun. See you on our next video. Bye!